Alright, so in case you've been using Mrs. Browser and you have been facing some challenges when it comes to connecting of wallet and so on and so forth, you notice sometimes they will ask you to connect your Metamask wallet, which you may download the Metamask wallet on your mobile device, but at the end of the day, you may be trying to, connect your Metamask wallet, but it will not be going through. Now, I'm going to guide you on how you can add your Metamask wallet or your Phantom wallet to your Mrs. Browser. Now when you come here, this is where you see your search bar right over here. Okay, so here is where you see your search bar, and let's assume you install any wallet. This is where you are going to see it. So I'm going to guide you on how you can add wallet to your Mrs. Browser, just like if you are using a browser on your laptop, how you can add your wallet to your browser the same way. Okay, now when you come here, just make sure you come to the search bar over here and type for the word Chrome Store. Okay, so search for Chrome Store over here. So after typing Chrome Store, just make sure you search for it. Okay, so after you search for it, it will give you some drop down options over here. So I'll be clicking on the first one. Okay, then it will send me to the main website of Chrome Store. Okay, now when I come to Chrome Store, all I need to do is that you notice at the top here. Okay, when you check the top right over here, there is some search bar over there. Okay, where you'll be able to use to search for anything you prefer. Now when you come to any tab or you search for anything here, just make sure your browser is on the desktop side. Okay, so just make sure you come to where the three dots are, click on it and scroll down a little bit. You notice that where it's written desktop side, this side will be ticked or it will not be ticked. Okay, so just make sure you tick it over here, then the interface will change. Okay, then everything will look like that of a laptop, right? It's very simple. So after you are done with that, then you just have to come back to what you were doing. So now we want to add something like Metamask wallet. Okay, so all you need to do is to search for Metamask. Okay, so when you are done searching, just make sure you search for it. All right, now after you search for it, there are a lot of lists that will come. Just make sure you select the right one, which this one, the first one, of course, is the right Metamask for us. So I'm going to click on that one and let's continue. Alright, so after you click on it, guys, just make sure you zoom in a little bit, okay, to see a clear view of the web page. Now when you come here, I have already done this before. Okay, now when you come here, you notice that you'll be seeing this side. Okay, in this green button, you'll be seeing add to Chrome. Now when you come here, click on add to Chrome, and it will bring out another prompt to ask you whether you want to add it to your Mrs. Browser. Just click on yes, and it will add the Metamask wallet to your browser. Now when it's done adding the Metamask wallet, for you to be able to see your Metamask wallet, all you need to do is to come to where we have the extension logo. Okay, now just come to where we have the extension logo and click on it. You notice that Metamask is now part of my extensions right over here. Okay, and that is it. It's very simple. You can either click on it to create a new wallet or import your old wallet, and that is that. It's very simple. So anytime they ask you to connect your wallet, just make sure you click on connect wallet, and it will bring a pop-up for you to connect your wallet in your Mrs. Browser. Do not forget to back up your seed phrase or anything. And this is how you are going to add any other when it comes to any other extension or wallet. Let's say you are mining a project or you are trying to perform a testnet and they ask you to add their wallet or whatever. Just come to your Chrome store and search for the wallet or whatever or the extension, and it's very simple for you to add it. And that is how you navigate your way through Mrs. Browser. All right, have a wonderful day. If there's something you don't understand, just make sure you hit me up and I'm going to attend to you. Bye.